Now, good morning, children of class 5. Today, I'm going to do your GK first lesson. I'm not going to do everything from there because I've only taken the important ones. When you come back to school, we will do everything. Now, in the holidays, I think I have taken all the important ones. Okay, now I'm going to start the lesson. It is page 7 and 8. It's a mixture of page 7 and 8. When I'm giving you the notes, you just go through the page 7 and 8. But if you don't get the answer, you can see it at the back, but I'm giving you the answer too. What is an Aadhaar card? Now, I think you people should know what is an Aadhaar card, because these days without an Aadhaar card, we cannot survive. Okay, if you want to stay in a country, if you want to stay in India, you need to have an Aadhaar card. Now, what is an Aadhaar card? An Aadhaar card is our identification. Our identity, like you have in the school, you have the ID card, no? That is your identification card, which you hang it in your neck. You have an identification card. Your picture is given, your photo is given, your date of birth is given, your father's name is given, your name is given, your class is given. Same way, that means you are from our school. That identifies. Same way, Aadhaar card is a identification card in which shows we belong to India. In Aadhaar card, they will give you a number, and they will give you your date of birth, your father's name, your husband's name, or whatever it is. All those details, your address, everything will be given. So we will know that you are from Indian. You are an Indian citizen. Did you understand? What is an Aadhaar card? An Aadhaar card is an identification card which shows we belong to India. Okay, which shows we belong to India. Name the cities which have metro train services. Now, first there was only Kolkata. Then many cities came up. So, Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, Gurgaon, that is Gurugram. Gurgaon, we say Gurugram, that's in Haryana. Okay, and Mumbai, Jaipur, Chennai, and Kochi. Okay, that is Kerala. Did you all understand? Now these, I don't think I can do any actions for this, so you learn it. Where is the world's highest railway bridge constructed and across which river? World's highest, not in India, in our country, in the world, whole world, highest railway bridge. Okay, railway bridge is constructed across the which river? So Jammu and Kashmir. The world's highest railway bridge is constructed in Jammu and Kashmir across the river Chenab. Okay, across the river Chenab. Now, what is the tree planting movement in India called, and when does it take place? The tree planting in India is called Van Mahotsav. Mahotsav. Mahotsav means something celebrated. Okay, one is forest. Van Mahotsav. It takes place in the first week of July every week. Now we celebrate that Van Mahotsav in the July first week every year. Beside the difference in speed, why does an aeroplane get to its destination faster than a train? Faster than a train, why does the plane reach first? You go from Calcutta to Delhi, you reach the whole night you take for reaching. Okay, you go at 4 o'clock, the next day morning 10 o'clock you are there. Okay? So, but when you go by plane, why do you reach faster? An aeroplane travels in a straight line. Okay, the train has to go round about where they get the place. They have to round about, they have to stop some stations, and it's a long route. Okay, land route is a long route. Up in the air, there is no other traffics. It is just a straight line they have to go, and it is the shortest distance. When straight line you go, that is the shortest distance. When you go roundabout, then it is the longest distance. Okay, so it gets to its destination faster than a train. Did you all understand? Now I'll come back to the next page. Hope you all have understood the first page, children.